Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and thanks to everyone that viewed the last video and subscribed to my channel. I promise to bring more content to help improve our skincare routine. Our goal is to understand how effective homemade remedies are. If you're a new viewer, kindly subscribe, like, and share the channel with your friends and family members, they could benefit from it as well. Today's topic: how to make homemade face mask. Our ingredients are: egg. Need only the egg white. Egg white is the clear liquid contained within an egg. In chickens, it is formed from the layers of secretions of the anterior section of the hen's oviduct during the passage of the egg. It forms around fertilized or unfertilized egg yolks. Benefits of egg whites. For aging skin, egg whites can help tighten and firm. If you have large pores or acne-prone skin, egg whites help close pores and get rid of buildup. And if your skin is oily, egg whites are said to clarify pores and hair follicles that make too much sebum. Honey has skin brightening properties and also lends a healthy moisturized glow to the face after usage. Honey is good to treat dry skin but also works extremely well in treating oily, acne-prone and combination skin types as well. Lemons. Lemons are full of vitamin C and citric acid, both of which help brighten and lighten your skin over time. Possible benefits of using lemon on your skin are: acne treatment, antimicrobial effect, skin spot or hair lightening, psoriasis, and dandruff lightening and increased collagen, etc. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. First, we separate our egg white from the yolk into a bowl. Make sure you do it very gently so it doesn't mix up together while separating them. Don't forget to leave your comments below and share ideas as well. If you like this video, please subscribe. As you can see, we separated our egg white from the yolk already, and now we will add a tablespoon of original honey and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Please kindly subscribe and turn on your notification button, thank you. Please make sure you don't skip so you don't miss any part of the important instructions. After combining our ingredients in one bowl, now we whisk for 2 minutes. You'll whisk until all components are foamy. If you like this video, please subscribe. Please stand by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave your comments below and share ideas as well.
A few moments later.
Welcome back. As you can see, the components are foamy, which means the face mask is ready for usage. If you like this video, please subscribe. Face mask should be used before bath and it is best advised you apply it with a brush. Make sure it's a facial brush and not just any brush. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for the time everyone. Please subscribe and turn on your notification button for new videos I'll be posting. See you in my next video. Peace out.